Welcome to virtual class student. Okay, what are the topic to be covered in BB? You should learn. We have to learn about the event. Okay, there are different types of events are there. That is your keyboard event, mouse event, program event, and your focus event. Okay, so whenever we are talking about keyboard event, the name of the events are key down event, key up event, and key press event. And whenever we are talking about mouse event means click event, DBL click event means double click event, mouse down event, mouse up event and mouse move event. After that, what are the focus event? Focus event is your got focus event, lost focus event, set focus event and tab order event. Okay, so and your for program event is nothing but your form event. Okay, form load event, that is your program event. Next we are going to cover visual basic programming elements. So what are the programming element, what are the programming construct? Programming construct means your control structure. So we have to learn about the variable. So we can declare the variable in VB using dim. Okay, to declare the variable we are using dim. Okay, and we can declare it implicitly, we can declare it explicitly. And here we have to learn the scope of the variable, whether it is global declaration, local declaration or static declaration. Then we have to learn about the constant. Okay, so built-in functions in built-in constant in VB and user defined constant we have to study, and we will learn about what is the data types. So you are having Visual Basic provides 7 data types. Okay, in that your first data type is called your numeric data types. So in numeric data type you are having is your integer data type, long data type, single data type. Single is nothing but your float data type, double data type and currency data types. So integer data type will occupy 2 byte of space, long data type occupy 4 byte of space and single data type will occupy 4 byte of space and double data type occupy 8 byte of space, and another one is called a currency data type which will occupy 8 byte of space. So these are the numeric data types. So this is your first data type, that is called your numeric, that is your integer, long, single, double and currency. So next data type is called your byte data type. Okay, then string data type, date data type, boolean data type, object data type and variant data type. So here in Visual Basic you can use the variable without declaring the variable. That means suppose dim a, I have not declared the variable a, simply I am writing a equal to, suppose I have written a equal to 10. Then you will say, ma'am, you have not written the data type for a. So I will say, here one more data type is called your variant data type. So depend upon this value of the variable, the data type is defined. So that is called your what? Variant data type. Next, we have to learn about the type conversion. You are converting to integer to long, long to integer, integer to single, double. So for that, you are having predefined functions are there. Cint, clng, csng, cdbl, cbyte. Okay, these are the type conversion. We have to study each topic. Okay, separate lessons. Okay, and you know what is the REM? REM is used for specifying the command line. I want to write the question of the problem program, so I can use REM statement. I can either use REM, otherwise I can use single stroke. These are used for writing the command line, which has to be ignored by the compiler. So now in this today's topic we are going to learn about the operators. So there are three types of operator: arithmetic operator, relational operator and a logical operator in Visual Basic. We have to learn this topic in detail. So overall I'm just saying the topics. What are the topics we are going to cover? Control structure. Okay, so your control structure is your branching selection sequence structure, selection structure and your iteration structure. Okay, so first one we are going to learn about the what? Branching statement, that is also called as decision structure. That is a if then statement, if then else statement, your select case statement. And looping, you are having four types of loop. in Visual Basic. Okay, do loop, while when loop, for next loop, for each next loop. Okay, do loop is nothing but your post tested loop, and while when loop is your pre tested loop. Okay, so these are same only how you are having in C programming or Java, same thing only. Next we are going to learn about built-in functions. So you are having built-in functions. There are number of built-in function available in Visual Basic. They are numeric function, formatting function, string manipulation function, date and time function, and conversion function. Only example of numeric function I am just now giving, because other are more are there. So numeric functions here: int, sqrt, abs, exp, fix, round, log, rnd. Okay, then we have to learn about the array. So array, your one dimensional array and two dimensional array, and your after that, types of processor. There are two types of processors are there. One is called event processor. Another one is called your general processor. General processors are two type. One is called your which one? One is called your general processor is your sub processor. Another one is called your function processor. Let's today we are going to learn about